voices inside in my head. It's clear that my choices when I looked and said the fear of the voices and all they embed. Appear cavalier, but we're near in they bed. Embracing the darkness that weighs down like lead as they chasing the hardest can find it ahead. Just to get by, just to get high, just to get fly.
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another new unit from the Sensational Kinky Edges collection. This one is in the style wide part Kinky Wand Curl 20 inch and it's in the color number 2. And on the inside of the stock card, they do go into detail as far as the inside of the cap construction, and this one is listed as curl types 3B to 4C, which is the curly, juicy spring curls that fall into an elongated open S pattern. And this unit is going to be available in 4 special colors. So here's what the curls are looking like up close, you guys, and yes, it is going to be that kinky texture that we all know and love. And here's what the hairline is looking like for her. So for the inside of the cap construction, you are going to get that wide part HD lace with a wide pre-plucked lace area and 5-inch deep parting space, which means the front of the unit, you're going to get a very natural hairline, and then it's going to have that center part that goes right down the middle. And it is going to come with 2 combs that are right in the front. And then it's also going to come with a glueless wide elastic band, a comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown and start tinting that lace. And then after I'm finished tinting that lace, I'm just gonna slap this bad boy on the wig head and give you guys a 360 of what this wig is looking like. And honey, look at the curls. I was a little bit intimidated with this one because I knew it was gonna be a lot of hair, but I was definitely impressed with the overall look and the installation of it. And the baby hairs are looking really nice. I wanted to bring it close up and show you guys what the hairline is looking like. The hairline in this one looks very natural, very beautiful. I didn't feel the need to go in and pluck this one out. So now I'm just going to go in with my Femme Silicone Mist. This is going to be a heat protectant and also adds a natural shine and luster to the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my Revlon blow dryer brush on the lowest heat setting and just start to kind of tame those baby hairs and brush them into the hairline and kind of just condense them down a little bit. And then I'm going to go in on the top of the unit as well, just to kind of reduce some of that humpiness that I was seeing. And I like the option of using the blow dryer brush versus the hot comb just because I get the same effect and I don't need to go in with as much heat as I do with the hot comb. And now I'm just going to start cutting the lace off. First I'm going to go in with my embroidering scissors and cut this lace into smaller sections so that when I go in with my pinking shears, it makes it much easier to maneuver around the hairline because the pinking shears are much chunkier, much thicker than these embroidering scissors. So to give myself more control over cutting that lace, it just makes it easier to cut it into smaller, more manageable portions before going in with the pinking shears. So after I cut that lace into manageable portions, I'm just going to go in with my scalloped pinking shears and start cutting away those sections. Like I said, this makes this process much easier and much quicker because since I already have those sections pre-cut out, it just makes it much easier to maneuver with these clinky scissors. So that's what it's looking like after I cut the lace off with those scalloped pinking shears. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing it and plopping it on my head. You guys, just like they listed, it is a glueless unit, so I was able to wear this one glueless, and I just love how easy it was to get this one going. This is definitely gonna be a beginner friendly unit because aside from just tinting the lace and cutting it off, there really wasn't much that I needed to do. I just feel like this is definitely going to be a throw on and go. So this is absolutely lazy girl approved, absolutely beginner approved. If you're looking for something that's really pretty and you're not really skilled when it comes to lace front wigs, I feel like this is absolutely going to be for you. So now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation that is liquid, and then I'm putting that on my makeup sponge, and then I'm going and applying that around the perimeter of the lace on the hairline just so that I can get it blended in as much as possible. And as you guys can see right here, I have no product on this whatsoever aside from this Fit Me foundation, and the blend is already doing what it's supposed to be doing. As far as the cap size on this one, I'm absolutely going to say this is small, medium, and big head friendly because I did adjust the adjustable straps as tight as they can go, and I was getting a secure fit. So now I'm just going to go in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's. I'm going to combine the colors Yoda and Kufuru, and then I'm going to go and add that around the perimeter of the hairline as well on top of that liquid foundation that I already placed in there. And just look at that blend coming together, you guys. This is why I said this is going to be an easy throw on and go, beginner friendly, because I really did not have to do much work to get this style, to get this look. And just look how beautiful and perfect those curls are. So I did notice at the top there are kind of like ripples when it comes to the texture, so the top is not going to be super flat. So I did try to go and mitigate that by using my bristle brush, and I did also go in with my Revlon blow dryer again on the low heat setting to try to get rid of some of those crinkles that I was seeing. I couldn't fully get rid of them, but I was fine with it just because I feel like the curls themselves were so beautiful that I really wasn't even tripping off of that. I'm just going in and getting rid of some of that humpiness that I noticed in the back and pressing that out. And I'm not trying to go too far into the curls because they're so beautiful. I don't want to mess them up. And now I'm just going in with my Simply Styling Pure Silicone Spray to give this some shine. And I'm going to wipe that into the hair, and then I'm going to take my comb and just try to comb out some of those crinkles as well and comb that product into the hair. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, this was an easy, super beginner friendly unit. I really didn't have to do much for this one. As far as the density on this one, you guys, this one is going to be nice and full. It's minimum 180% density. I can only imagine how big this one would be if you were to go and comb it out. This one is going to be 20 inches like it says on the stock card, and I just feel like the density is perfect, the length is perfect. If you're somebody who likes big, yaki, curly hair, this one is going to be for you. If you're somebody who likes minimal work when it comes to the units, but you still want it to be beautiful, this one is going to be for you, you guys. So as far as my cons and pros for this unit, I absolutely can't say that I have any cons. This one absolutely exceeded my expectations. As far as my pros are concerned, I feel like these wand curls are absolutely beautiful, you guys. The density is amazing and always what I'm looking for when it comes to my units. Just look at these curls, look at the body. The fit of it, yes, the fact that I was able to wear this one glueless, and I do actually like the fact that this one isn't a frontal or anything like that because I wouldn't want to disturb these curls. So this one was absolutely worth it in my opinion, and I feel like you guys won't be disappointed if you pick it up too. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up on any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.